This is for Year 11 Methods. It's 14G, question number 6, sketching a cosine curve for a restricted domain from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so I've got y equals 5 on 2 cos of 2x on 3. So the amplitude equals 5 on 2. The period will be 2 pi divided by n, which is 2/3. That's the same as 2 pi times 3 on 2, which is 3 pi. So this has a period of 3 pi, but I'm only drawing it for 2 pi, so I won't have a complete revolution. And my amplitude is 5 on 2, and my median is 0, so my maximum will be 5 on 2, and my minimum will be negative 5 on 2. Okay, so I'd like to draw my axis. I might have some guiding marks for my maximum at 5 on 2 and some guiding marks for my minimum at minus 5 on 2. And I'm going to mark it out for 3 pi. Half of that would be 3 pi on 2 and half of that will be 3 pi on 4. So that there would be 3 pi on 4, 6 pi on 4, 9 pi on 4. But I need to finish it at 2 pi, which is 8 pi on 4. So that's 1 pi on 4, 2 pi on 4, 3, 4 pi on 4, 5 pi on 4, 6, 7 pi on 4, 8 pi on 4. That's where I'm going to finish. So I would normally, if I was doing a full revolution, since it is a positive cosine, I would be starting here and finishing there. And at 3 pi on 2 I would be there. And at 3 pi on 4 I would be there. And at 9 pi on 4 I would be there. So I would normally have a curve, if I had one complete revolution, that would look like that. But I need to stop it there. Which is why they gave you a hint. Find these values and then you'll know where to stop your curve. So I think I'm going to have negative something. So f of 0 is going to be 5 on 2 cos of 0. And the cosine of 0 is 1, so that's 5 on 2, and I agree. F of 2 pi is going to equal 5 on 2 cos of 2 times 2 pi on 3, which is 4 pi on 3. So I need to find the cosine of 4 pi on 3. Where is 4 pi on 3? 4 pi on 3, that is 0, and that's pi, so that's 3 pi on 3. 1 pi on 3, 2 pi on 3, 3 pi on 3. 4 pi on 3 is in this quadrant, the third quadrant. All stations to Collingwood. Tan is positive, which means cosine is negative. So the cos of 4 pi on 3 will equal negative cos of pi on 3. And I know from my table the cos of pi on 3 is going to be negative 1/2. So I know that that point there is negative 1/2. So I'm going to redraw, just so I can clean it up, I know I'm going to start here, and then at 3 pi on 4, so that's 3 pi on 2, 3 pi on 4 is there, so I'm going to be there. 3 pi on 2, I'm going to be down here, and at 2 pi, I'm going to be at negative 1/2. So this is what a poor curve is with a tablet. So that's going to be 2 pi and minus 1/2 and there's my y-intercept, and that's going to be my x-intercept, which is 3 pi on 4, and that's my complete graph of 5 on 2 cos of 2x on 3.